Hi guys! I've just returned from a school fete where my friend Ria and I played arcade games and we both won the same amount of tickets. Ria exchanged all her tickets for 5 vintage collectible cars and 1 modern car. And I exchanged my tickets for 10 modern cars and 2 vintage collectible cars. But now I think Ria's collection is better than mine and I wish I could exchange my modern cars for the vintage cars. I wonder how many modern cars would I need to give to get 1 vintage car in exchange? Let me use equations to find out. The modern cars cost 1 ticket each. If the variable x represents the number of tickets required to get a vintage car, then the number of tickets Ria exchanged is represented by the expression 5x plus 1. And the number of tickets I exchanged is represented by the expression 2x plus 10. But since the cars that Ria and I picked cost the same amount of tickets, we can equate the two expressions to represent a balanced equation. So, 5x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now I have to solve this equation and get my x. So, I'm going to isolate the x's, that is, I'll bring them on one side of the equal sign. First, I need to get rid of the 1 on the left-hand side. So I will use inverse operation and subtract 1 from both sides of the equations. Why both sides of the equation? Because the equation must always remain balanced. Now, I've got 5x equals 2x plus 9. Remember, we want to have all the x's only on one side. So I'll subtract 2x from both sides. Now I get 3x equals 9. See, x is on one side now. How do I separate the 3 from the x? I'll use the opposite of multiplication and divide by 3 on both sides. And that leaves me with x equals 3. Wasn't that easy? This means that I can get 1 vintage car in exchange of 3 modern cars. Great! I'm going to go to the fete now to exchange my cars. And you can practice solving algebraic expressions with your tutor.